Hi there. Hi there. It's 7:32 on the PM side. Friday, Nike Day, Victory Day, October the 26th, 2018. And one element of victory is to have sunshine, even on a cloudy day. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. Oh yeah, when it's cold outside, I got the month of May. Well, I guess you may say, what can make me feel this way? Talking about my girl, talking about my girl. I got so much time to be with my girl. Oh yeah, I got a sweeter song than the birds in the tree. Well, I guess you may say, what can make me feel this way? Talking about my girl, talking about my girl. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you may say, what can make me feel this way? Talking about my girl, she give me kisses, sweet and honey, and when I need a little money, she give it to me, and my corny jokes, she thinks so funny. She said, James, you my man, oh my girl. That's unrehearsed, my girl's Southern style. And one way of looking at your girl is your soul, is your heart. My delight is in her. This is Blissful Hummingbirds, Sir DPP Deptness III, aka James Lee Frazier Jr. Continue to keep the faith, baby. Keep the faith, baby. Keep the faith, baby. As Reverend Adam Clayton Brown Jr. would say, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. As Spoken the Pig would say, a pika, that's all, folks. And this is raw. But Coach Albert told me to do it, and I'm not in the habit of telling Coach Albert what to do. Now, I mean, some of you folks, Coach Albert is a cosmic bellboy, as Dr. King and others would say. But I can't seem to get Coach Albert to do much of anything like other folks can. Anyway, I love y'all. Bye-bye.